Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to find tutorials on the YarnPal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So there's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New. Go to the lower bar, click to the home button, the first, and you can find different options. Just select a project, for example the pink pig, and here you can find, if you scroll down, you can find different tutorials, for example how to do a chain stitch, how to make a single crochet, and other tutorial videos. So you can learn how to crochet. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.